Have you ever wondered how people in ancient times calmed their minds without pills, therapy, or modern science? Imagine standing in the middle of a crowded ancient marketplace. The noise, the chaos, the pressure of survival. Stress and anxiety were not modern inventions. They were always part of the human story. But our ancestors had secrets, natural remedies and rituals so powerful that modern science is only now beginning to understand them. Today, on the Wisdom Hub, we're unlocking 5 forgotten remedies for stress and anxiety that worked thousands of years ago and still hold surprising power today. 1. Ashwagandha. Our journey begins in ancient India, where healers of Ayurveda prescribed a root called ashwagandha, translated as the smell of a horse. It was believed to bring strength, stamina, and calmness. For centuries, kings and warriors consumed ashwagandha before battle, not for aggression, but for balance of mind. Modern research now shows it reduces cortisol, the body's stress hormone. Imagine what once helped warriors face war can help you face the battles of everyday life. 2. Lavender. From India, we travel to ancient Greece. Here, women placed lavender flowers under pillows, believing it invited peaceful dreams. Greek physicians like Dioscorides recommended lavender tea for those with a restless heart. Today, science confirms its soothing aroma slows down the nervous system, easing anxiety. One simple flower, carrying centuries of calm. 3. Valerian root. But what if sleepless nights fueled your anxiety? Ancient Romans had the answer. Valerian root, called the all-heal plant. It was given to restless minds and troubled souls. Even soldiers returning from battle used it to quiet their nightmares. Now, researchers know valerian increases GABA in the brain, a natural chemical that brings relaxation. It was ancient wisdom, hidden in the soil beneath their feet. 4. Chamomile. Across Europe, another plant earned legendary status, chamomile. The Egyptians considered it sacred to the sun god Ra, using it not just for fevers, but also for emotional unrest. Chamomile tea became a ritual, a pause, a moment of peace in chaotic times. Today, millions still sip it before bed, finding the same comfort our ancestors once did. 5. Meditation and breath rituals. But not all remedies grew in the ground. Some lived within the body itself. In Buddhist monasteries, monks practiced deep breathing and meditation, techniques passed down for over 2,500 years. To them, controlling the breath was the key to controlling the mind. Science now proves these rituals lower blood pressure, reduce stress hormones, and calm anxiety with no medicine at all. The breath, free, invisible, eternal, was their most powerful remedy. So what do these ancient secrets teach us? That the answers to stress and anxiety were never far away. They were hidden in roots, in flowers, in simple rituals of breath and stillness. Ashwagandha for resilience, lavender for peace, valerian for rest, chamomile for comfort, meditation for inner balance. Our ancestors may not have had science, but they had wisdom. And that wisdom still whispers to us today. Which of these remedies will you try? Tell us in the comments. And if you found value in this journey, don't forget to subscribe to the Wisdom Hub, where ancient knowledge meets modern life. Because sometimes the oldest remedies hold the newest hope.